Bitcoin is at $64,000 and I think we're at a bit of a critical level. So I just wanted to do a quick short-term update here on the charts to show you what I'm looking for in the next, say, 24 hours to 72 hours for the 3-day close and the weekly close. So let's dive straight into this. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, follow my page on Instagram to never miss these updates. I will do them regularly, at least once a week, but as things get more volatile, I tend to do a couple of updates a week. So make sure you subscribe and drop a like. All right, so starting out with what I think right now is the most important chart, which is the 3-day chart and the 50 moving average here in blue. As you can see, we are at 64,000 and we are right up against this average. What we need is we need it to close above there. It closes tomorrow. So on Saturday, on the 20th, we get the next 3-day candle close. Each one of these candles represents 72 hours worth of price action. So we want this to close back above there because that means the bullish trend is back on. If we reject here, there's obviously danger for this just being a bearish retest and continuing lower. So let's see what we're going to get today. Ideally, we want to close here above at least 64.5, ideally above 65,000. So what we need is for the bulls to show up today and give that push to give us that good 3-day close. Now, if it doesn't close there tomorrow, it's not the end of the world just yet. It means we could still just get the close the second or the third 3-day candle after that. And, you know, it could still just consolidate here a little bit more before blasting through. But ideally, what we're looking for here, look, we had this range. So we have this high over here at about 74,000. We have this low at 56,000, which we swept below, but then reclaimed it. So now we're in the middle of basically this range. And the target, in my opinion, is still the high. I think we're going higher. I think we're going to 74,000 and beyond. We have a lot of bullish inflows into the Bitcoin ETFs. We have the Ethereum ETFs, which are maybe going to start trading next week. I think that is the idea on the 23rd. So there's a lot of bullish momentum and things behind this that could hopefully see us continue higher over here. And again, just to show you why this is so important on this 3-day chart, if you go back all the way to 2020, you can load up your own chart and go back even further than this. But every single time we reclaimed this, look at this. This was in 2020. Once we were above the 3-day 50 moving average, the price went from $9,000 all the way to $66,000 in one go. Then, when we reclaimed it again in August of 2021, the price went from $44,000 all the way to $69,000. When we reclaimed it in January of 2023, the price went from $19,000 all the way to $32,000. When we reclaimed it in October of 2023, the price went from $28,000 to $74,000. So, if we can reclaim it right now, at $65,000, 2 consecutive closes above there, reclaims it as a confirmation signal, then based on what has happened previously, the chance becomes highly likely that we are looking at not only new all-time highs at 74,000, but probably 85,000 or maybe even $100,000 Bitcoin potentially before the end of the year, just based on what has happened previously, based on the moves after we got these reclaims. So guys, fingers crossed that we actually get this reclaim in the next couple days. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet over here. Once we get the reclaim, I will do another video update. So make sure you have subscribed on YouTube and on Instagram, that you're following my page. Drop a like or a thumbs up. Helps the video get out to more people. And if you haven't heard yet, I have reopened my VIP temporarily. A couple days ago, I reopened it, and I will keep doors open to new members until August 28th. So only for a few weeks, exactly because of the reason that I've shared here. I think we've had a dip, a correction mid-cycle, and I think we can move a lot higher in the coming months. I think there's real potential here for continuation of this bull cycle for another 6 to 12 months, which means that if that happens, the largest gains are still ahead of us, especially in altcoins where we can get massive swings. So if you want to learn how to do that, if you want to get access to all my courses, my training on technical analysis, my portfolio breakdowns, my continuous daily, weekly, monthly updates, my newsletter, and of course the Discord community with access to more than 2,800 members and myself personally, all of those details are in my VIP. Click the link in the description down below. It's all explained there. You can sign up for a discounted price, by the way, and there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you are doing anything with crypto or trading or investing, and you want to learn how it all works, my VIP is the best place. Come and check it out. It's risk-free. Sign up. I will only keep these doors open for a couple weeks, closing again in August 28th. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.